this video will teach you how to fix Shopee error F00. So if you have got this problem, I'll show you a few different fixes, what you need to do. First of all, you need to make sure that Shopee servers are working properly. For that, you need to open your browser and go to the Google. In the Google search, you need to write the simple keyword Shopee status down detector, and you need to open this result downdetector.ph. And here is Shopee server status. If there are a lot of reports, that means Shopee servers are not working at the moment. At this moment, I don't see any huge amount of reports. That means everything is fine with Shopee. So if Shopee is working properly, that means you have got problem in your device. The first thing you can try is just go to your phone settings and then go to the general. If you're using an iPhone, go to the iPhone storage and find the Shopee app. For example, I will show you on this one, and here you will see the offload app button. If you're using an iPhone, you need to click this button and it will reinstall the app. And if you're using the Android, you need to go to your phone settings and find the Shopee app. Then when you open the app, you need to delete the cache of your app. That might help you and solve the problem. If this is still not helpful, the last thing you can try is switch over your internet connection. For example, if you're using the Wi-Fi, you can switch your internet connection to mobile data, or if you're using the mobile data, you can switch over to Wi-Fi. This might help you to solve the issue. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to click the like button and don't forget to subscribe.